Hey guys, what's going on? In this short video, I want to share a cool trick with you. So the trick is you can now open your GitHub repository in VS Code right inside your browser. How? Let me show you. So just go to a repo. Let's say next portfolio, the project I'm currently working on. So this is my repo, and just change the URL from github.com to github1s.com. 1s means 1 second. 1s.com and enter. Look at this. Aha, nice. This is much more readable and convenient now. You have the syntax highlighting, proper indentation, but one thing to notice, the editor is read only, and this is quite obvious. Else you have almost all the features of VS Code. You can change the font size, so just go to settings, control and comma, font size from 15 to 18, go to resume.tsx. Yep, you can also change the theme, so just go to files, from files to preference to color theme, and you have some built-in theme. Let's say this theme be dark. I don't know what it is. Warmy theme. Anyway, whatever. This is still in beta version, but quite fantastic, huh? Okay. Now one thing, there is also an extension available which is called GitHub 1s. So just go to your Chrome Web Store and search for GitHub 1s and click on this Add to Chrome, Add extension. And now you don't need to manually change the URL. You have a button. With that you can just directly go to GitHub 1s. Let's see. Go to your repo, back, and now just refresh. Yeah, look at this. I have this button which is GitHub 1s. Click on this. Nice. It will automatically open in github1s.com. The theme, font size will be saved in your browser, so you don't need to reconfigure this. And now one disclaimer, guys. This is not officially maintained by GitHub. You can also check out the repo which is conwait/github1s. So this is not officially maintained by GitHub. So what I mean is, don't open your private repository using this github1s.com. Okay, because there might be some security issues, so don't open your private repository. And look at this, I have this GitHub 1s. Click on this and the process is same. Very handy, very convenient, like this, bro. So that's it. I wanted to share this trick with you. If you are new to this channel, please check out my content. See you in the next video. Bye.